Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I'm sitting in a 2025 Volkswagen Taos and I will show you how to enable or disable the lane keeping assist, and I will quickly explain what it is. This video should apply to Volkswagen Taoses made from 2022 all the way up to 2026 and possibly newer. Also, if this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the video, subscribing to the channel, or becoming a channel member. Okay, so I will first show you how to enable it and then I will explain what it is. So press the menu button on the main screen, then select Assist System, and then select Settings right here in the bottom, and here it is, Lane Keeping System. And here you can enable it or disable it. If it's check marked, that means it's enabled. Now if you go under the information, this is pretty much self-explanatory. This function uses corrective steering to alert the driver if the vehicle unintentionally leaves the lane. So that means if you are driving in a multi-lane road, so for example highway, and you are going out of your lane, vehicle will automatically warn you, and then it will, by applying the brakes on one side, actually pull you back to your lane to avoid an accident. So me personally, I'm not a fan of vehicle controlling my steering wheel, but that's me. It's up to you if you want to have it enabled or disabled. So to enable this option, you just want to press it here. Okay, that's it. Now optionally you can select if you want the steering wheel vibration on or off. That also means if you get out of your lane, the steering wheel will vibrate to warn you. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews, and other similar automotive topics.